Hari kedua Camp Elite Golf NJDP MGA tampil dengan cabaran berbeza buat atlet-atlet ini apabila mereka perlu harungi lapangan berangin di sebelah laut di Kinabalu Golf Club Sabah. Dan lebih mencabar lagi apabila mereka harus lakukannya dalam cuaca hujan. Sesi kali ini menumpukan simulasi pertandingan individu berbanding berkumpulan yang dibuat pada hari pertama yang memberi pengalaman berbeza kepada mereka untuk belajar atasi tekanan tinggi dalam pelbagai situasi pertandingan. Dan pemain elit NJDP MGA, Maverick Chua rasakan ini antara pengalaman terbaik dalam pelajari sistem baharu di Camp Elite seperti ini.
It was a fun experience playing with the Sabah players. Sabah players were actually impressive. They were actually pretty good, and I was shocked by their skills. And yeah, it was a fun time playing with them.
About the sparring session, right? Especially in SGCC, about the golf course. How about it? Maybe it's some challenging golf course?
Yeah, the course there is actually pretty tough. I can't spin my ball, and for putting it's tough. There's a lot of slope everywhere. So yeah, it's a fun time playing in that course.
Sementara itu, individu yang bertanggungjawab dalam menyusun program latihan ini, Albright Chong, sangat berpuas hati apabila semua peserta dapat hadam segala pelan yang diberi. Albright juga berharap inisiatif kamp latihan remaja elit seperti ini diteruskan lagi, lebih-lebih lagi di negeri Sabah.
What I see is these kids, they have a lot to learn, but I believe that they are on the right direction towards their goals. And my job as a coach is to guide them and make sure they stay on path, and hopefully they will achieve a world-class standard in their performance.
So these 2 days intensive training, macam mana coach melihat pada prestasi mereka tu?
So these 2 days, the performance training has been really good. I see a lot of them, they are actually talented kids. So again, they have to work together with their own coaches, and they also have to, because they're national players, they have to perform well, and they know that. So in order for them to perform well, they have to come up with their own system as well.